રાજની જય. આજે અમારા મૈત્રીબેન નો કોઈ મેસેજ નથી, નહીં? મૈત્રીબેન ઓકે, શીશ. ઓકે. હાજી સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. ધ્યાન મૂલમ ગુરોર્મૂર્તિ પૂજા મૂલમ ગુરોર્પદમ મંત્રમૂલમ ગુરોર્વાક્યમ મોક્ષમૂલમ ગુરો કૃપા. જે ઉત્પત્તિ સ્થિતિ લય કરે વેદો સ્તુતિ ઉચ્ચરે, જેના રોમ સુછિદ્રમાં અણુસમા બ્રહ્માંડ કોટી ફરે. માયા કાળ રવિ શશી સુરગણો આજ્ઞાન લોપે ક્ષણ, એવા અક્ષરધામના અધિપતિ શ્રી સ્વામી નારાયણ. જેની અમૃત વાણી તો વહી રહી સાક્ષાત મહિમા રૂપે, જેની બ્રાહ્મી સ્થિતિ અહોલી ન કરે સુભવ્ય અક્ષર પદે. શરણાગત નિજ અલ્પ જીવ સહુના શ્રેયાર્થ તત્પર રહે, કાકા સ્નેહલ સિંધુ દિવ્ય વિભુને હૈયું તો વંદન કરે. સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. आज के आनंद की जय जय जय. सदगुरुदेव की जय जय जय. गुरुहरि काकाजी महाराज, गुरुहरि पप्पाजी महाराज, બંધુ બેલડી શતાબ્દી મહોત્સવની જય જય જય. સર્વે ગુણાતીત સ્વરૂપોની જય જય જય. આજે શુક્રવાર આપણી વર્ચ્યુઅલ ઈ સભા doing this first time that I remember now like this, and it is not just us, but so many temples and churches and mosques and other places, they are doing the same way. And it is all to protect us from the current coronavirus dilemma. The point is that whether we are doing this on computers, electronic devices, or we are doing in the temples or other places, our interest is to become a good listener, to understand the essence of these discourses, and then apply that in our life and elevate ourselves from wherever we are to the higher level, all the way up to a Gunatit level. Here on this pravachan number 21, Kakaji is talking about 11 Vachanamruts. They were included in our Vachanamrut book as additional Vachanamrut. And they are part of the Vachanamrut book. Some books are including that and some are not. So Kakaji says વચનામૃતમાં 11 વચનામૃત આવા જૂનો છે. એ દેહાભિમાન જીતવું બહુ અઘરું નથી. There is a thing we call our body consciousness, our body attachment to our soul. And if we are not attached to our body, then we are beyond the body consciousness. So here Kakaji says, for common person to control and go over the body consciousness, Dehabhiman, is hard. But in our satsang, Kakaji says, it is not too hard. If somebody is really interested, then one can win over that. આવા સંતમાં જો જોડાઈ ગયા તો દેહાભિમાન જીતાઈ જાય. If we are united with a Gunatit saint and we think that saint is my controller, saint is my soul, then we would win this દેહાભિમાન. તો આવા સંતમાં જો જોડાઈ ગયા તો મહારાજને અર્થે સદભાવ રાખવો. So we have to keep the positive feelings and thinking in the saint and God. So if we keep that sadbhav to please God in the saint, then we would win the Dehabhiman. But Kakaji is saying, પણ આપણે માટે કોઈએ સહેજ બી કર્યું, somebody has done even a small favor to us for satsang, we are not appreciating that and we are not thanking for that. That is the problem. એ કૃતજ્ઞપણું વર્તાય છે. We want to always be appreciative. We want to be always thanking whoever has helped in our satsang activities. That person may have now turned away maybe. That person may not have that much of interest that person had before. But we don't want to forget. Even that person turns against us, our memory of that person has helped should not be eradicated. We want to keep that in our focus, that that person has done so and so seva and we want to thank for that. That is what Kakaji is saying. આટલો બધો મહારાજે દાખલો કર્યો, જોગીજી મહારાજે કર્યો, શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજે કર્યો, પણ એમનું વચન આપણાથી પાડી શકાયું નહીં. All these efforts that Swaminarayan Bhagavan started, and he walked barefooted all over India. Wherever the pilgrimage places, he stayed there. And there he saw whatever was not proper, he suggested to correct it and make it proper. And some of these people really liked Swaminarayan Bhagavan. Some of them did not like. But Bhagavan did not care for the insults. He says that insults are our ornaments. If somebody insults, we have to think that that is sadhu's ornament. So, Swaminarayan Bhagavan did all these efforts. Yogiji Maharaje દાખલો કર્યો. He did all these efforts. શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજે એવો દાખલો કર્યો. પણ એમનું વચન આપણાથી પાડી શકાયું નહીં. We did not follow the intent of this Gunatit saints and God. What was the intent? Suhrad Bhav. Suhrad Bhav. Suhrad is the Sanskrit word. It starts with the heart. Hriday is Hrad. And Suhrad is positive heart. And that quality is called Suhrad Bhav. Coming from the bottom of our heart is a Suhrad Bhav. And that Suhrad Bhav, Swaminarayan Bhagavan started, and all these Gunatit saints started, and they are even doing today also, Hariprasad Swamiji is focusing on some Surat Bhavekta. Mahan Swami is also focusing on some Surat Bhavekta. And all other Gunati Swarupos also focusing on that some Surat Bhavekta. So Kakaji says, we should have really followed the command of Surat Bhav. And Kakaji saying that doing that, what was the cost, financial cost that we had to pay? Nobody had asked that, okay, if you want to keep Surat Bhav, you will have to pay so many millions of rupees and dollars. There is no condition like that. એમાં ક્યાં પૈસો પડ્યો? Where is the expense in there? Sadbhav, Surat Bhav. We have to keep Sadbhav, means the pure divine feeling, pure positive feeling, and Surat Bhav, pure heartfelt feeling. તો સદભાવ સુરત ભાવ જો એ રાખીએ તો કાકાજી કહે છે તો એક શક્તિ પેદા થશે. Then we will have a divine energy, divine force helping us to give us the right direction, take us to the right goal. તો એક શક્તિ પેદા થશે. હરિપ્રસાદ સ્વામી, કાકાજી, પપ્પાજી, સર્વને અમને સુરત ભાવ. Kakaji says, we all like this quality of Surat Bhav. અમને બધાને એ સુરત ભાવ ખૂબ ગમે છે. હરિપ્રસાદ સ્વામીજીને, કાકાજીને, પપ્પાજીને, બધાને. અને કેવી સુરત ભાવ આવા ગુણાતીત સ્વરૂપો કેવી રીતનું બ્લેસિંગ આપે છે. How they bless the whole સત્સંગ સમાજ and mankind and any living entity. તો કહે છે કે સૂર્ય સમાન, just like sun. When sun rises in the sky, sun does not discriminate that so and so person is a saint, so I will give more enlightenment, and so is not so good, I will give less enlightenment. No. It is given equally to everybody. So, અહીં આગળ બી કાકાજી કહે છે આવા સંતો છે એ બધા સૂર્ય સમાન છે. એ દરેકની ઉપર એટલી જ દયા દ્રષ્ટિ કરે. અને વિના કારણ અકારણ રૂડું કર્યું મહારાજે. તમાર ભગવાન liberated so many for no such reason, no such purpose, just that was his grace. There was one story in chapter 11 I was listening, that in 130 there was one lady, she wanted to become a dedicated Sankhya Yogi Bai. And her in-laws were forcing her to come and get into this married life. So, Swaminarayan Bhagavan was there, and she told Swaminarayan Bhagavan that my in-laws, father-in-law is coming and grabbing me to take back to the house where they do not do any satsang. I do not like there. I do not want to go there. I want to be a Sankhya Yogi lady and spend my life for the good cause. So Swaminarayan Bhagavan explained to those in-laws people that if she wants to do that, please, let her do that. That is a better choice and she likes it. So you please allow. But those in-laws people were stubborn. They did not want to understand Swaminarayan Bhagavan's message. So they were stubborn and they said, no. Who are you? She is married to our son and we are demanding her to take back to our place. So Swaminarayan Bhagavan, out of his grace, told this lady that you sit down and go into the samadhi. Swaminarayan Bhagavan took her in the samadhi. Then Swaminarayan Bhagavan says, now I am the owner of her soul and you are the owner of the body. So if you want to take the body away, it is a dead body. Her soul is now residing in Akshardham. Those people were still stubborn. They did not listen and say, sorry Bhagavan. They say, we will take the body. They took the body and body was not moving. Body was dead. So then they did the cremation and burned the body, So Swaminarayan Bhagavan gave her a choice to come back from Akshardham or stay in Akshardham. And that lady says, the soul of that lady says, I am very happy here, I don't want to go back and create other haze and spider web, problems, So that is what the grace of Swaminarayan Bhagavan. Now what did that lady do? Not anything, not much, but just out of grace, Swaminarayan Bhagavan, Vina Karan, અકારણ રૂડું કર્યું. મહારાજે એનું અકારણ રૂડું કર્યું. એમને તો 16 વાર અપમાન કર્યું જુનાગઢમાં. સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાનનું જુનાગઢની અંદર before, he was the head of the whole satsang in Junagadh, he was insulted 16 times. ભગતજી મહારાજનું 100 વખત. ભગતજી મહારાજ was insulted in વડતાલ 100 times. જેના નિર્માની ભગવાન એના ભક્તને કેમ જોઈએ માન. Kakaji says, our God is nirmani. God is without ego. Then his disciples, all of us, how can we look for ego? How can we not live without ego? તો સેવકના સેવક થવાની આ વાત છે. દાસના દાસ થવાની આ વાત છે. We have to be the humble servant. Humble of the humblest servant. સેવકના આય સેવક તો ના થવાય. Kakaji is giving now compromise. Even if we do not become servant of the servants, તો સ્વામીના તો સેવક થજો. Then become the humble servant of હરિપ્રસાદ સ્વામી. 4 સગી બહેનો સખણી ના રે. Even 4 sisters, when they get married, they don't work in harmony. They don't look into the satsang way of living. એને બદલે આજે 400 બહેનો, today 400 sisters in Gunati Jyot, in Haridham Sokhda, and Delhi, and Powai, and here in America, and other places, they are living in harmony. 400 બહેનો એ એક 200 વર્ષમાં નવીન ક્રાંતિ થઈ. So this is a new change in 200 years that did not happen in our own Swaminarayan Satsang. It was there to some extent, but on a large scale, on a mega scale. And all this educated, all this Deshna from the different continents, they have joined together and lived that way. When Shantaben Popat from Africa came, she was older than Papaji. She was very elevated soul. Lord Krishna used to play with her when she was a child in Africa. Or maybe she was raised in India at that time, so in India. But anyhow, she got married and went to Africa. But when she came to live as a dedicated life, Kakaji and Papaji told her that yes, you are senior, yes, you have a lot of spiritual powers, but this Gunatit Jnana is totally different. In this Gunatit Jnana, even though this Tara Ben, Jyoti Ben, Hansa Ben, Devi Ben, 4 sisters who are younger than you, but if you consider them as highly respectful and you become their sevak, their das, then this Gunatik Jnana will get digested. And Shantaben Popat really lived that way, She always kept them ahead, She always kept them in respect. So today, Pujya Ben is also a Gunatit Ben, So, to live together in harmony and give up our own ego and other vibes is the sadhana. I sometimes talk about, our Muti Ben. At their home, we have 3 sons, their sons and their wives. They are from different towns, different area, did not know each other when they came here, but they lived like sisters, more than sisters. And the harmony is making the whole house very positive. So, Kakaji is saying that we should all practice this thing at our home, in our satsang, and in our whole Gunati Samaj. એને કાકાજી કહે છે કે 200 વર્ષમાં એક નવીન ક્રાંતિ થઈ. એવી આ ફેક્ટરી વાળાની સાહેબ ને આ ડોક્ટરેટ છોકરાઓ હળીમળીને રહે છે. So not only sisters, but Sahib Dada with his brothers and lot of sadhak bhaiyo, they also live together. And when Kakaji used to go in 1963, 64, 65, 66 time frame to Vidyanagar, and Sahib Dada had this 8 Sakha friends. Kakaji had given that mantra, slogan, that Ekta is Ekantikpanu. If you 8 of you, 9 of you or whatever live together in harmony, just like our 5 fingers, they are of different shape, different location, different style, but they live in harmony, work in harmony, then the action will happen. Same way Kakaji said that all of you are different, nature, different purpose, but live in harmony, and you will make a magical change in the society. And today we see that because of that, Kakaji's blessings, Papaji's blessings, and other, they have done a great, great achievement. તો કાકાજી કે છે આ નવી એવી આ ફેક્ટરી વાળાની સાહેબ અને આ ડોક્ટરે છોકરાઓ હળીમળીને રહે છે. So just like those holy sisters, we have holy brothers also, and they are living all together. They are very educated, but they have given up all these worldly desires. There is no labor problem to us. In India, if there were more than, I think, 10 people or so, they could form a labor group and they can demand from the owner more and more benefits. Here Kakaji says that these brothers are living together and Sahib Dada is the leader, but there is no problem between these brothers and Sahib Di. There is no labor problem to us. અમારે ત્યાં લેબર પ્રોબ્લેમ જ નથી. We don't have any labor problem. અમે તો સામેથી સેવા માંગીએ ભાઈ કે મને સેવા આપો. Give us this labor, give us this service. No. Yogi Bapa at the age of 70 plus was sitting down and cleaning up the vegetables. And right after he was riding on an elephant on his return from the Africa and London in 1970 trip. And he, right after when he was done with the Samaya, in Gondal he sat down and started cleaning up the vegetables. Sevak na is sevak Bapa. એમને સેવા ના કરે તો ના ગમે. If he does not find a seva, he will be uneasy. એટલે કે છે there is no labor problem to us. અમારે ત્યાં લેબર પ્રોબ્લેમ જ નથી. કારણ કે કોઈ શેઠ જ નહીં. Nobody is a boss here. Everybody is humble servant of the servants. કારણ કે અહીં આગળ કોઈ શેઠ જ નહીં. એ જ અમારો સનંદ, that Dr. Sanand Bhai, Kakaji is talking about. He is a very big educated PhD, graduate. Age amaro Sanand, ane age jhadu wade, and he would clean the temple. He would do any service in the temple. So this is what Kakaji says, that we want to be humble of the humblest. We want to be looking for the seva. We would be looking for the opportunities to do seva. So, Kakaji કહે છે કે અને એ ઝાડુ વાળે એવું નહીં. કાકાજી કહે છે અમે ને સ્વામી જ ઝાડુ વાળીએ. કાકાજી પોતે કહે છે કે અમે અને હરિપ્રસાદ સ્વામી જ ઝાડુ વાળીએ. And Kakaji, when he used to come to America and when he would be visiting some of the devotees' sons or daughters, and when he is at their place and the husband would be gone for a job and the wife with kids would be taking care of the cooking and other things, Kakaji would not be sitting idle. If the child is crying in the crib, Kakaji would go and play with the kid and make the kid happy. Or if the wife is doing vacuum and the rotli and shak is not done yet, so Kakaji would tell the lady that, okay, you do rotli and shak, I will do the vacuum. ઝાડુ વાળીશું અમે. કાકાજી કહે છે અમે એને સ્વામી ઝાડુ વાળીએ. કંઈક કેવું હોય ને શરમાઈ જાય ને શું કરે? So Kakaji is saying that if there is something like that we are doing the jadu, and if someone sees us, then they would take away from us, and Swamiji will be also shying and giving that duty to somebody else. એવું કંઈક શરમાઈ જાય અને શું કરે? એટલે એક નવી ટાઈપનું વિઝન. So this is a totally new vision, એક યુનિવર્સલ વિઝન લાઈફનું. This is the new universal vision that we all want to be servant of the servants. એ દ્રષ્ટિકોણ આપણે આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય યુવક સભામાં તે વખતે એમને બી ખ્યાલ આવે એ માટે ઘરે ઠેર ઠેર સુરત ભાવની પરબો. So Kakaji is talking about that in international conferences we are doing the same thing, that whoever is coming from even out of country would be doing seva also, and they would also know, and we want to have this kind of heartfelt oneness centers at many places, and then Kakaji says, દરરોજ પ્રાર્થના કરજો. Then do the prayer that, oh Maharaj, મારી અંદર કાંઈક બી દેહાત્મ ભાવ રહી ગયો હોય, જે કાકાજીએ શરૂઆતમાં વાત કરી દેહાભિમાનને જીતવાની, એ આ સેવા ભાવથી સેવક ભાવથી નીકળી જશે. So I want to do that in our Desplain Mandir also. Our Pintu Bhai, he loves to do dishes, he loves to do cleaning, and because of that all other bhaios are listening and doing and learning also, and I have seen Pintu Bhai for many years, whenever he comes to the kitchen, his eyes are in the sink. If there is anything to clean, he is there first. So આપણે બધાએ હવે સુરત ભાવની પરબો ઠેર ઠેર કરવી છે. દરરોજ પ્રાર્થના કરજો. Do the prayer every day. હે મહારાજ, કંઈક સર્જનાત્મક કાર્ય થઈ શકે. I want to have some creative work. કંઈક સહૃદ ભાવનું કામ થઈ શકે. I want to do some heartfelt cooperative work. And then Kakaji is closing this pravachan and saying that છેલ્લી વાત, the last important discussion, જેનું ખૂંચતું હોય, જેનું લાગતું હોય, જેને વિશે ભાવ ફેર થતો હોય, એના માટે 5 દાડા તો પ્રાર્થના કરજો. Whoever you have issue with, whoever you are unhappy with, whoever you have manush bhav, negative feeling towards, for that person or for that group of people, for 5 days you do the prayer. That prayer will make a big change. That prayer will turn the whole situation into positivity. And many places I have gone and met a lot of people with their questions. And when I have suggested this, that if you can do it for 1 week, this kind of positive prayer, then let us talk. Then let us see how change has come. And there is always definite change, It is all in our mind. It is all in our attitude. And if we learn this technique of doing prayer for someone who we have allergy with, that allergy will go away. તો કાકાજી કે છે એના માટે 5 દાડા તો પ્રાર્થના કરજો, જોડમાં કામ કરજો, વર્ક ઇન ધી કંપની ટુગેધર. Everybody likes to work by oneself, કે I don't want somebody to mess up my task. No, we want to have others come and join us so that we learn in harmony. જોડમાં કામ કરજો. મૈત્રી ભાવ એ બીજા બધા સાધનો કરતો એવો મૈત્રી ભાવ ધીરે ધીરે બાપાને ખૂબ ગમતો. So if we focus on our heartfelt oneness approach, then rather than any other means, doing tap, doing meditation, doing chanting, hanging upside down, all these other means, Maitri Bhav is more effective and more powerful. એવો મૈત્રી ભાવ ધીરે ધીરે બાપાને ખૂબ ગમતો. યોગી બાપા liked it a lot. તો સુરત ભાવ દ્રઢ રહેશે. So if we have friendliness, then we have heartfelt oneness. So એવો સુરત ભાવ દ્રઢ રહેશે. અને સુરત ભાવ હશે તો માયા નડશે નહીં. And if we have Surat Bhav, if we have heartfelt oneness, then all these problems of worldly things, problem of Maya, that will not create problem to us. Ekantikma priti. Now these are the 4 Agnya that Swaminarayan Bhagavan has said, that Gunatitanand Swami has told also. Upasana, Agnya, Ekantikma priti, and Bhagavati Sathe Surat Bhav. So Kakaji is bringing those 4 points. એકાંતિકમાં પ્રીતિ, ઉપાસના અને આજ્ઞા બધું સુરત ભાવમાં આવી જશે. If we focus on the Surat Bhav, then other higher virtues and higher achievements will be also covered. So that is how Surat Bhav is so powerful. તો સર્વને સુલભ બનો. So let it become easily achieved by everybody. એવો દ્રઢ બનો. Let it be firm. અને એવું સ્વામી અનુગ્રહ કરીને સૌને બળ આપે. And now Kakaji is focusing to Hariprasad Swami, that Swami, Hariprasad Swami, by grace, give the power to all of the saints, Beno, Bayo, Yuvako, Grovasto, to all. અને બધા જ આપણે બાપાનું શોભાડી શકીએ. We can please Yogiji Maharaj. We can become the product of Yogiji Maharaj, Kakaji Maharaj. શતાબ્દી વખતે એક અનોખી વાત પાડીએ. એ જ ગુરુચરણે પ્રાર્થના. So when the bicentenary of Gunatitanand Swami comes, Kakaji says we can make a unique situation, a unique presentation, that everybody would be impressed by what we have done. So that is the pravachan number 21. Let's see what time it is. 9:15. Okay, before we go to 22, is somebody else would like to say something on Lord Swaminarayan's birthday or Lord Ram's birthday? Tomorrow also we are going to do that. But if somebody would like to share something, maybe we can open up on the conference line or something. Hello, everybody. Okay. Okay. Angie, can unmute, beta?
You want him to mute?
Okay. Now it's open. Yeah.
I mean, Vijay, you want him on the TV or you want him on the conference? I can't keep both.
હા હર્ષાબેન કઈ કેવું છે? Mm-hmm. Haji. So today in the afternoon or no in the morning we were talking about the points from Ramayana. If everybody remember, we talked what do we learn from Ramayana in relations to this coronavirus, and there were a couple of points that we did not cover. So maybe I can cover, and I don't know whether there are new people added into this. I can talk, from point number one. So it says 9 COVID-19 lessons from Ramayana. Number one, on the orders of his king Dasarath, Ram accepted 14 years of Vanvas without hesitation. We have only been given some days of Gruhvas. We can accept that cheerfully because of coronavirus. Number two, if Bharat could manage to administer an entire kingdom of Ayodhya without being in the city, then we can manage to do work from home. Number three, Kaikeyi believed in rumors that seemed to be in her favor and caused total destruction. Be very careful in what you believe and share. We should not share any false rumors messages. Number four, Lakshman was completely vigilant and kept guard for 14 years. We can be vigilant for some days and prevent the virus from entering our homes. We can be very alert, keep certain rules, standard rules. If anyone comes to our home, make sure that that new person should have mask, should wear hand gloves, or wash the hands before coming in. Even don't let them open the doorknob. Let us open the doorknob and have the discipline that way. So the virus does not hang into the metal parts. They say that coronavirus does not survive on copper metal. It survives only few hours in copper metal. But on stainless steel metal, it survives for not only days but weeks. So many places in the buses, in the trains, in the cars, the stainless steel parts are there. So be careful with touching those parts and then touching your face or your mouth or your eyes or your nose. So that is what this message is. Number 5, Mother Sita was confined to Ashok Vatika for a whole year and was subjected to harsh mental torture. But she kept her spirits up by thinking of Lord Ram. We can definitely do the same. So, if we are confined into our own home, we should not be unhappy or upset. Accept it. I came 2 weeks ago on the 17th of March in Discipline Mandir, and I stayed inside the mandir for 2 weeks, did not step out at all, and it was okay for me to do that. So why can't we not all practice that? We can do walking, we can do exercise, we can do all other activities at home, but we have to decide that I want to do that way, because it is not that the virus will be harmful to all of us. Those who are strong, those who are young, the virus will be hidden. We would be the vectors of this virus, and it will be given to others who are less capable of surviving, elder or with low immunity. And we are seeing that America has a population of baby boomers. All those babies born in the 1940, 41, 42, 43, 44 time frame, 45, they are called babies of the World War II. And that baby boomer is now in their age of plus 70 years. They are subject to this problem. And that is why America has such a big number of deaths, such a big number of this problem, of virus. So we all want to make sure that just because we feel good, it does not mean that we are not carrier of virus. We have to still play safe. We have to make sure our hands are clean. We don't sneeze in front of others. We don't talk too close. Even there was one message today that the spread of this virus can come not by sneezing, just by people breathing very close to us. It can also create problem. So let us practice this new thing so that we save our life and the lives of others. So that is what about Sitaji. Number 6, Hanuman changed his size, his approach, his strategy continuously as the situation demanded, but ensured the job was done. We need to be a bit innovative to make sure we complete our tasks and accept the changing circumstances. So, just like Hanumanji, we want to also be adjustable, flexible, and not demanding that it has to be this way, otherwise, my way or highway. No, we want to understand others' point of view and make sure that we are all for the same point, same goal. And the reason is, I'm repeating this thing is that if somebody in our satsang got it, we will be all in trouble. So we all have to play very safe role. So we are fortunate so far, that it is staying away from our satsang, this coronavirus issue. But there is no guarantee. There were some irresponsible priests that they did not listen and they invited the problem in their churches. And they have a lot of bad cases of coronavirus. So we want to learn from these lessons and we want to make sure that we are practicing this diligently. So that was number 6. Number 7, Shatrughna did the work of managing the family and executing the orders of Bharat without any credits seeking. There are so many Shatrughnas who are quietly serving the society in various ways. Let us remember them and be grateful to them. So, Shatrughna, who was the 4th brother, Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughna. And Bharat gave him the authority to run the kingdom for 14 years. And he did the work of managing the whole family. And no fights, no quarrel, no disagreement. Even with Kaikeyi, they were in harmony. Executing the orders of Bharat without any credit seeking. He did not want to have credits, and there is very little mentioned about Shatrughna in Ramayana also compared to the other deities. So there are so many Shatrughnas in our society also, silent workers, low profile workers, and we have to remember them and we want to be grateful to them. And like I said, we are making these masks and the service of mask is really appreciative and helping so many needy people. And even in our group, if somebody needs the mask, we should give that too, and we should help them to protect, just like the hospitals and others. So this is something we all want to put it on. We all want to have it with us. Number 8, Ravan had so much, but he always craved for more. We all have so much, and we should not crave for more and more, but we should try to help others. We should try to share with others, and we want to be happy by giving our hands to others. Even nowadays, even if a beggar, if you see on the street, please keep some fruits and food in your possession and donate, give, so that that person does not go hungry. Ravan had so much, but he always craved for more and remained insecure. He was always insecure. Let us not hoard things, because in this situation, taking more than needed is actually like stealing from someone else. So people go to the shopping places also and fill up the cart for unnecessary extra items. if we see the store is running short of certain items, then we should take it in limit. Let somebody else also have it. So that thought should be there to care for somebody else also. And number 9, even though surrounded by negativity from all sides, Vibhishan managed to keep himself mentally engaged in positive thinking. Vibhishan was in the group of all these negative people in Lanka, still on. He was the younger brother of Ravan and Kumbhakarna. But he was a devotee of God, Vishnu Bhagavan. And he was surrounded by negativity from all sides. He managed to keep himself mentally engaged in positive thinking. So let us also practice social distancing from all the negativity around us. So negativity is going to be there, but we have to learn how to shield it. We have to learn how to protect it. And we have to live in harmony so that we are the master of the whole world. આપણે જગતના રાજા બનવું છે અને છતાં પણ દાસના દાસ થવું છે. So there are much more we can learn from this beautiful epic. So this is happy Ram Navami to all. The happy birthday to Lord Ram to all. So that is the message. Thank you. Okay, I think we are about 9:30, and if anybody wants to again share on Ram Navami, Hari Jayanti, you are welcome. And if you don't want to, then maybe we can go to the next one, 22. Okay, do you have the facility now to put it, or can I just go ahead and read it?
Someone's trying to.
Hmm? I get all these WhatsApp messages.
What's that? I mean, I'm not going to people ask.
Oh, somebody wants to talk? Just hold on, Vijay bhai. Somebody wants to talk. Hello, Vijay bhai. Are you on conference?
We are listening on conference, Vijay. We are doing two different things, conference and this. And I think we should figure this out later and let her talk now.